Hey guys, welcome to your Facebook ads training course. This course was designed for restaurants but can be used by any local business to employ the strategies and tactics that we're going to go over in this video to have success with Facebook ads in your local area. All right, guys, let's take a look at how this is going to work. So we've got our restaurant here, and what we're going to be doing is running Facebook ads in your local area. So the whole purpose of these ads is not just to gain awareness for your restaurant, but what we're trying to do is gain as many people as possible to join our contacts list from Facebook. And the reason that that is going to be beneficial is because once we have people on our contacts list, we can send them out offers via text message on a weekly basis, or you can customize the interval at which they get sent on, and you're going to be able to drive a lot more online orders, reservations, selling gift cards, whatever you want to do. So that is the overall goal of what we're trying to do with Facebook ads. So let's jump in and we're going to take a look at the hierarchy and structure of these ads. So we're going to be learning about campaigns, ad sets, ads, and their relation to one another, choosing your campaign type, setting up your audience within your ad set, and the basics of an ad. So we're going to start at the very top with campaigns. So the campaign is really just the overall goal or objective of what you're trying to do. So as we already went over, our goal is to get as many people as possible onto our contacts list. Since that is our goal, then when it comes time to choose our campaign type, we are going to be going with leads. Now you can see here there is 5 other campaign types. For the purpose of this video, we are going to be setting up a leads campaign because that is the most beneficial way for restaurants to be able to implement SMS marketing into their local area. So we've got our campaign type picked out, which is leads. Next, we're going to learn about the ad set. So there's a few different things that go into the ad set, but the main thing to understand is that the ad set is your audience. Now, we'll go into why it's not quite that simple. There is a little bit more to it than just that, but for argument's sake, for basic understanding, just when you hear ad set, think audience. And uh, within a single campaign, it is possible to have a single ad set or you could have multiple ad sets. For simplicity purposes, and since this is a video for the basics of Facebook campaigns, we are just going to set it up with one ad set and one ad. Now, the ad is going to be the image, video, the headline, and the primary text that the person is seeing. This is also called the ad copy. So let's take a look at an example here. So we have our definitions. We've got our objective, our audience, and our content. Let's say we have to set up a campaign for a barbecue place in Asheville, North Carolina. Well, we already know we're going to be using a leads campaign because we want to gather all those new contacts. For our audience, we are going to do location targeting, which is something you'll see inside the ad set shortly. And we're going to do a 10-mile radius from the restaurant address. For the content, our offer or our primary text is going to be to get a free half rack of ribs when you buy 2 brisket sandwiches. And then for the image ad, we're going to use just a nice little simple picture of some delicious looking ribs there with the big old half rack free headline. And then here's a bigger picture of that so you can see. Very important to use mouth-watering images for these ads. That's really what's going to a good mouth-watering image and a nice offer is really going to be a what they call a scroll stopper for the people online.